Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making power safe and visible. Shut the breaker and discharge the capacitor, then mark incoming lines L1 and L2. Once done, remove the compressor terminal cover to expose the connection block. You're looking for a 3-terminal group, usually stamped S, R, C, or with small notches. These are start, run, and common. Make sure to note wire colors and positions before touching anything. This prevents confusion later and preserves equipment wiring integrity. Next, verify terminal ID with a multimeter on ohms. Once the compressor is isolated, measure resistance between each pair, RC, SC, and RS. You'll see 3 values. The smallest indicates the 2 windings in series for start and run, the largest is the run winding alone, and the middle identifies the start circuit. For example, if RC is highest, R is the run. This method works because start and run windings have different turn counts and resistances. Finally, mark the terminals clearly as S, R, and C, reconnect the wires exactly as before, and secure the cover. Then restore power and observe operation. A weak start or no rotation tells you to test the start capacitor and relay. If things go wrong, isolate power and retest continuity and capacitor microfarads, micro F, because failed capacitors or open windings are the usual culprits. If measurements are off, replace the faulty component before running the compressor again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.